You ever attended a Tai Chi class?
I have actually, and I know they have like a lot of free Tai Chis in the parks. It's very relaxing.
All right, well, I've never had, and I don't really know too much about the ancient Chinese practice that so many people are getting into these days. So when I got the opportunity to attend a Tai Chi class in West Hartford about a week ago, I went and found out just how cool and soothing and meditative it can be.
And so it begins. Here we are in West Hartford at Dr. Wu's Healing Center, learning all about the ancient practice of Tai Chi. I'd like you to meet Kevin Ferry, who took up Tai Chi about 4 years ago and is now, in his downtime, an associate instructor.
I got involved because my mother, who's retired, drags me to these sort of senior little functions. So I went on a bus tour with her to a Buddhist center in New York. And the person that ran that little getaway did Qigong, which is sort of a beginning basis of Tai Chi, and I really fell for it, and it was really cool. We did Qigong out on the plaza of this temple, this Buddhist temple. So as soon as I got back, I looked up studios, Tai Chi teachers and studios near my house, and Dr. Wu's happened to be the closest, and that's how I wound up here. And
Kevin is so glad he did.
Because I was really stressed out from work. I have a pretty stressful vocation, and I wasn't feeling well also. I had beginning stages of Lyme disease, all kinds of weird stuff going on, and I needed to get better. And it wasn't, no answers were coming from any traditional medicine, traditional doctors. So I gave up on them totally, and I said, I'm going to do this myself. And really coming here was partly about healing and also just about stress reduction.
So what exactly is Tai Chi? It's
a moving meditation. And there's a series and sequence of steps. Dr. Wu teaches a very traditional Yang style of Tai Chi. It's 108 movements.
Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese martial art, but in the modern day, right now we practice for wellness, for improved balance, and also the idea to bring awareness, watching, to pay attention to every part of the body when you do the slow movement. That's how you awareness with the tension, you let go. That's why it helps stress reduction.
In Tai Chi, the whole time, you're kind of in your own world. You don't think of anything else. You just get lost in the Tai Chi, and you start sort of uncovering who you really are at the basis of that. It's funny because a lot of people, including me, when you start, it's stressful. You have to work through that. So you're conscious about how you look. Do you look perfect? Are you doing it just like the way the master's doing it? My neck would hurt, everything would get tense and sore. But Dr. Wu would tell us, that happens to some people and you gotta work through it. Keep coming, and eventually, and inevitably, you'll get the benefits.
It helps release the stress, I mean, open up the energy blockage. Energy block can cause problem.
Dr. Wu tells us there's slow Tai Chi and fast Tai Chi, and each serves a different purpose.
It's slow, it's build the foundation. Why fast? Fast, you can like open and release things.
Open and release things.
Yeah.
Well, I'm game. Dr. Wu shows me a beginning Tai Chi move.
What is this called?
This is called Tai Chi begin.
Tai Chi beginning.
Yeah, Tai Chi beginning is helping you to relax you. And the knees slightly bend. When you ground, that's how you recharge your battery. Energy come to you.
When you get grounded, that's how you recharge your battery.
Yeah, like you connected, right? Energy is medicine.
Maybe Tai Chi could be for you. It certainly is for Kevin and for so many other people.
I've seen top executives from the insurance companies in Hartford here. I think a lot of people are looking for some help in how to get quiet. It's just a stressful world out there, and this is a nice place to learn how to get internal. Like Dr. Wu was saying, who am I? He always says, what's the most important question we must ask ourselves every day? Dr. Wu says, who am I? That's the question, and that's what Tai Chi helps you do. It's changed me a lot. It's really helped me calm down and cut down on the effort.
Don't expect to learn Tai Chi in 3 months. Dr. Wu and Kevin, they tell me it actually takes years. It can take years to master, but boy, does that look relaxing. And I think we could all use a little more Tai Chi philosophy in our lives.
We need to recharge our batteries for sure.
Absolutely. For more information about Dr. Wu and his healing center, head to wuhealing.com.